With interest rates coming down, it is now a good time to look at where you are parking your savings so that you get to earn the highest possible return on your money. I'll break this down into 4 key categories, namely the best high-interest savings accounts for those who can meet salary crediting requirements, the best fast-free accounts who aren't drawing a regular salary, the top cash management accounts for the flexibility and slightly higher returns, and finally, where to park your mid-term savings to lock in fixed returns before rates drop even further. Also, take note that the rates that I'll be using in this video are the ones that have been announced, such as the UOB1 NERF that will begin in September 2025, the Trust Bank NERF that will also begin in the same month, as well as the Chocolate Finance NERF that's coming soon. As a bonus, I've also put together a handy best savings calculator tool, which you can get, link down below, yeah? And before I start, do join my 10,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask any questions that you may have. Alright, let's start with the best high-interest savings accounts for those who are earning a salary, starting at the $50,000 savings range. So every month, if you are able to credit a minimum of $3,000 salary, spend at least $500 on credit cards, and are able to increase your average daily balance by at least $500, the bank account that will give you the highest interest is OCBC 360. With these criteria met, you get to earn 2.05% interest per annum. Also, just a small shout out. If you currently do not have an OCBC 360 account yet, from now to 30th September 2025, if you sign up for one using my code and credit 1.8k salary by the 15th of the following month, you get to receive a $60 welcome reward, yeah? Quick pause. If you are looking for the best brokers to kickstart your investing journey, check out Interactive Brokers. You will enjoy one of the lowest fees in the industry at just 35 cents per trade on the US stock market. It also offers Ireland domicile ETFs, perfect for saving on dividend withholding taxes. Plus, it also comes with free company research tools, so you can make smarter investing decisions. Feel free to use my Interactive Brokers link to open an account and start investing today. Alright, let's get back to the video. After OCBC 360, the next best bank account is Bank of China Smart Saver, which will give you 1.81% interest per annum, followed by DBS Multiplier at 1.8% interest per annum. Oh yeah, DBS has this promotion where if you have not been crediting salary to them since the start of 2025, you can get $300 cash when you credit 1.6k salary to them for 3 months. Now, while UOB1 only gives 1.5% interest, the good thing is that it comes with a number of promotions that can boost your effective interest by quite a bit. First, there's the Nation of Saver SG60 Bonanza, where you get to earn up to $340 cash. This will equate to you earning an additional 0.34% to 0.36% interest per annum. Then, there's the Tax Saver promotion, where you get to earn up to $600 in cash rebates, which will represent another 0.4% interest on your savings. And finally, the Salary Plus promotion, where you get to earn up to $160 cash when you pay your bills, credit your salary, and dividends with UOB. But even if you are able to fulfill all of that, you will still only earn up to 2+% interest on your savings, which is pretty meh. Thankfully, there's actually a way to boost the earn rate a little further, and that's by fulfilling the investment criteria. So, assuming you are able to invest 20k, the Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account will actually give you the highest interest at 4.05%. Okay, I know 20k sounds like a lot of money to ask for, but this criteria is actually pretty easy to fulfill. All you need to do is make a 20k subscription into a unit trust or perform a cumulative buy trade of 20k into an eligible online equity, and ting, you'll be able to earn an additional 2.5% interest for the next 6 months. The great thing is that you only need to perform the investment action and not hold on to the investment. So technically, you can just invest 20k into something, immediately sell it, and you will still qualify for the investment criteria. Not only that, their current sign-up promo is actually quite attractive. All you need to do is sign up for the SC Bonus Saver accounts and the Bonus Saver World Card, deposit 50k, keep the funds there till the end of the calendar month, and you get to receive a $60 cash back plus 50 units of the STI ETF worth around $200. Next, at the 100k savings range, the scenario is pretty much the same. If you can fulfill the salary crediting, credit card spending, and increase your average daily balance criteria every month, then the OCBC 360 accounts would give you the highest interest at 2.45% per annum. Otherwise, if you are able to also fulfill the investment criteria SC bonus saver accounts would again give you the highest interest at 4.05% per annum. Finally, at the 150k savings range, UOB1 would be giving the highest interest at 2.5%. And if you are able to fulfill the investment criteria, Standard Chartered Bonus Saver will give a slightly higher interest at 2.72%. So those were the best bank accounts that can give you the highest interest if you have a monthly salary. Moving on, here are the best fast free accounts that don't require you to fulfill the salary crediting criteria. Perfect if you are a retiree, a freelancer, or a stay-at-home tai-tai. First, at the $10,000 savings range, the best account would be the Singlife account, which gives a 2% interest on up to $10,000 on your savings. Though, strictly speaking, this is not a bank account, but rather an insurance savings solution. However, there's no lock-in period. You can deposit and withdraw anytime you want, and it is STIC insured. So even though it is not a bank account, it works and feels like one. Next, at the 50k savings range, the best bank account would be the UOB Stash account, where you get to earn a 1.41% interest per annum. Though, in order to earn this interest, your monthly average balance will need to be the same or have increased as compared to the previous month. Otherwise, you will only earn the 0.05% base interest. Similar to the UOB1 account, the UOB Stash account also has the Nation of Savers promo, where you get to earn up to $600 cash as well as the Salary Plus promotion to earn up to $160. After the UOB Stash account, the next best bank account would be the GSS Bank, which is giving a 1.38% interest when you park your money in the savings pocket. Otherwise, if you are able to move your savings over to the Boost pocket and not withdraw from there for 3 months, you will earn a slightly higher 1.58% interest. Plus, right now, there's also a welcome promo where if you use my code to sign up for the GSS savings account, you will get to earn a bonus $6 when you deposit $6,000 in. So, that's nice. Then, at the 100k savings range, the best bank accounts would be UOB Stash again, at 2.05% interest per annum, followed by CIMB Fast Saver accounts, which is giving a 1.49% interest per annum. And finally, at the 150k savings range, both UOB Stash accounts and GSS Bank are giving a 1.38% interest per annum. Moving on, the best cash management accounts. This option is good for those who don't have a fixed monthly salary but still want to earn a higher interest than fast free accounts. Cash management accounts work by investing your money into low-risk money markets and bond funds, which will then provide you with daily returns. As you might expect, these are investment products and not traditional bank accounts, so there are risks involved here. Therefore, you should only put your money here if you are comfortable with these risks. Just want to put this big bit here so that you don't miss it, yeah. Okay, first up, if I want to get the highest return but lowest risk, I would probably go for either Tiger Brokers Tiger Watts, Longbridge Cash Plus, FSMOne Auto Sweep, Maui Invest Safe Plus, Trust Invest Cash Plus, or Wise Interest, all of which currently gives around 1.7% to 2.3% yield. And because the funds that you'll be investing in largely hold government bonds, they tend to be more stable, even during times of crisis. This is also the reason why these funds have not seen any losses so far. But then you might be wondering, why not just park all my funds into Maui Invest Safe Plus since they give the highest return? The answer is, it's best to diversify among the platforms and the funds, since we won't know which platform might run into trouble, which fund will continue to outperform going forward, and which influencer might cause another bank run on one of these platforms. Plus, by using different platforms, you will get to enjoy their welcome rewards. For example, Longbridge is currently giving out a 12% interest booster promo, on top of free shares worth up to a total of $800. Meanwhile, Moomoo is giving out rewards worth up to $1,120. And if you join the SG Stocks Trading Challenge, you will stand a chance to win trading cash coupons, Moomoo coins, as well as free gifts. Next, if you want to earn even higher returns, and if you're okay with taking on higher risks, then you can look at either Chocolate Finance, Endowus Cash Smart Portfolios, Stash Away Simple Portfolios, Scythe Cash Plus Flexi, as well as UOBAM Cash Plus Extra. These platforms are able to give anywhere between 2% all the way to 3+% returns. And they do that by investing into bond funds that are slightly more volatile. Because of that, if you're parking your money into these platforms, you will need to have a longer holding period to smooth out the volatility risk. Finally, while most cash management accounts require you to wait for a few days when you redeem and get back your money, Maui Invest Safe Plus and Wise Interest allow you to do instant withdrawals, up to a certain limit. But I know lah, while instant withdrawals are good to have, don't expect them to be always available all the time. Last but not least, here are the best places to park your mid-term savings to lock in the returns before yields drop even further. For the absolute safest option, you can either go with government bonds and bank fixed deposits. They are protected by the government or are SDIC insured, so it's almost impossible to lose money on them. Personally, I prefer Singapore savings bonds as they let you lock in the return for the next 10 years and at the same time allow you to withdraw and get back your money by the following month. Otherwise, you can also check out fixed deposits. Right now, the best FD rate is offered by DBS at 2.45% when you lock your money up for 12 months, while other rates are honestly pretty meh. Likewise, for Stash Away Simple Guaranteed and Safe Cash Plus Guaranteed, personally, I think their rates currently aren't that attractive either, as you can easily get higher returns elsewhere. And lastly, there's Big Funder, which lets you invest in Australian real estate-backed loans. It is giving up to 6% return for an investment period of 6 to 18 months. This return is way higher than all the previous options. And while this sounds attractive, just remember that higher returns equals higher risk. So before you invest through them, just make sure you fully understand what they are doing and what the risks are. So those are some of the best places that you can park your money in. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every week.